Good evening for my lecturer and my fellow friends. So today, for the IoT subject mini project, I have entitled of theme of Smart Hospital. So for this project, I choose a title which will be Smart Patient Monitoring System. So in this project, I am going to detect the temperature and humidity and also patient heart rate for this project. So I am using an online simulation which will be using the data of Hovi and also ThinkSpeak. So in this project, I am going to simulate for the three conditions. So the first condition, I am going to set the temperature less than 35 and the humidity I increase to 78 and potentiometer value I reduce. So let's see for the output. So after the Wi-Fi connected, the IP address will be pop up here as usual. So after we connected, okay, so the temperature I set to 27 is here, the humidity is 78. So the temperature is normal, the LED not going to turn on. So the simulator heart rate of the patient will be 40 bpm. So data sent to ThinkSpeak successfully. So now we go to the second condition, which will be temperature increases to 36.4 and the humidity I decrease to make it 58 and RPM I increase a bit because the patient will be in normal rest mode, so the temperature is normal, so the humidity will be low and the heart BPM will be balanced. So as you can see, the temperature is 36, the humidity is 58, so the temperature is normal, the LED not going to turn on and the similar heart rate is 64. So the last condition will be the temperature when I increases exceeded 39 and above. Let's see, I put 39.5 and humidity I reduce to 29 and RPM I set to higher BPM. So as you can see here in the output serial monitor, temperature is exceeded 39, which will 39.5. The humidity is very low, 29, due to the room condition, and the temperature is higher and the command say the LED turn on. So as you can see, the LED is here is turned on. So this is indicate when the patient is having a fever or any kind of related body disease, which will the patient's body condition is unstable. So the third data sent also to ThinkSpeak successfully. So the heart rate will be high 111. So let's see the data ThinkSpeak. So as you can see here, the graph of the temperature field, heart rate field, and also humidity. At here, the temperature was 39 at last. So when I test here, it will drop, then it increase, then it will decreases, and finally when temperature increases to the maximum. So the heart rate it drop and maintain a higher, then it will drop back again and it will get higher. At the finally it remains same the humidity and increases slightly and drop and remain and increases slightly to 76, then it drop back to the 29 is because the patient condition is not good. So as you can see here, the temperature value finalized 40, the heart rate 111, and also the humidity 29. So for this project protocol, I use HTTP for this project, and the data is retrieved is ThinkSpeak sent using ThinkSpeak API key. So each parameter will be temperature, heart rate, and humidity stored in the specific field. The cloud platform used for this project is ThinkSpeak, and also the benefit for the project for the users is will be real-time monitoring, always improve healthcare, so abnormal condition detection, easy for use, which will is cost effective, easy to simulate, and remote accessibility, which with data stored and healthcare professionally. Thank you. This is my project.